Mortgage rates are at record lows, but affording a home is getting tougher and tougher, especially for first-time buyers. Diana Olick is looking at housing's trillion-dollar headache. Diana.
Well, that's right, Tyler. Affording a home is getting harder because more Americans than ever are saddled with student loans, and it's showing up especially among first-time homebuyers who are lagging in the housing recovery. Now, total student loan balances nearly tripled between 2004 and 2012 to a debt burden of about $1 trillion, according to a new survey from the New York Fed. In fact, student debt in the U.S. is now second only to mortgage debt, and in turn has a direct effect on getting a mortgage.
If you look at the average student loan balance, it's about $30,000–$35,000 per person or per student. So if you take a family of two, that's $60,000 to $70,000. I mean, in certain markets, that's almost a mortgage payment. That's almost as much as a house would cost. If you look at the median income and median price of $200,000, I mean, you're talking half of the house.
And that directly hits first-time homebuyers like SOPHIA CHAALE, who has $60,000 of student loan debt from graduate and undergraduate schools. She had to move back in with her parents and stay there far longer than she expected, and her debt is now affecting the home she is finally buying.
Without the student loan debt, a year and a half to 2 years earlier would have been the time in which I could have afforded a house 2 years ago, and probably something a little bit bigger.
Now, adding to that burden is the fact that 1/3 of borrowers on their student loans are delinquent, and that's going to keep them out of the mortgage market for many years to come. We've got plenty more online, realtycheck.cnbc.com. Simon?
You know, it is a huge dynamic. Some people are talking about a lost generation. On the one hand, they've got the debt from college, 100, 200,000 if you studied from the bar. On the other, there just aren't the jobs for those young people, as we saw in the employment report on Friday, Diana.
That's right, and it's just getting harder for them as they build up these debts to be able to think about even putting money down on yet another debt, which is supposed to be the largest of their lives, being a mortgage.
Okay, Diana Olick in Washington for the moment. Thank you very much.